In the top left-hand corner, you'll find a notes and reminders section where you can write important messages for the week ahead. You can also use it to write a weekly mantra or your most important task for the week. Next to that is the habit tracker, which links back to the habit curator. This is where you can write and track the habits that you're currently working on. You can tick or color in the circle, completely up to you. Some Curation users even like to highlight the days that they intend to complete each habit, just as an added reminder. For example, if I was tracking my yoga practice, I would highlight the circles under Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday because those are the days I practice yoga. Now for the actual weekly spread. We've kept it quite minimal so that you can adapt it to your own needs. On the right-hand side, you'll find a checklist. This is space for you to write your daily to-do list. The left-hand side is designed to be used for events, meetings, and appointments. But of course, there is nothing stopping you from using this space for your to-do list as well. I want to draw your attention to the daily self-care planner, which is strategically positioned on top of your to-do list. We've included this feature as a daily check-in. It's your daily prompt to ask yourself, what do I need today? What can I do to boost my well-being? It's your reminder to listen to your body and to honor your needs even when life gets busy. Use this space to schedule a daily self-care activity, whether that is a physical activity like going for a run or one that's more focused on your mental health like meditating and journaling. Ultimately, this feature is here to help you develop a more proactive self-care routine rather than one that occurs only when you're feeling completely burnt out or sick. Lastly, at the end of each month, you'll find a link at the bottom of the weekly spread which will direct you to a monthly reflection. There are 4 to 5 prompts each month to help you build a little more self-awareness around your daily habits, how you're spending your time, what's working, and what isn't, so that you can make those little changes that are more aligned with your values and your goals. The weekly spread in Curation Mini has a modified layout. It includes this week's priorities and a gratitude reflection. This week's priorities is space for you to identify and list your top 3 priorities for the week, your most important tasks. When you make a habit of prioritizing, you can step into each week with a strong sense of purpose and confidence because you know exactly where to allocate your time and energy. It's not a question of where do I even begin, you've already figured that out ahead of time. You can also use this as a prompt to check in with your goals and write down a few goal-related tasks that you want to complete during the week. The gratitude reflection is space for you to write down 3 things that you're grateful for or 3 wins from the previous week. It's a beautiful way to transition from one week to the next and start each week on a more positive note.